I gotta take the knobs off. And there's some of my supplies. I'm starting on it. So, let's see. There's the mirror. Alright, let's see what I end up with, you guys. Alright, we've got a base coat, a starting point. I've already sanded all the old off. I'm getting ready to take the knobs off and sand those. I've steamed and sanded the mirror. Got it taped. I had to, this was a garbage find now. It has the latch where the mirror turns, so I had to reposition those so that the mirror would move as I wanted it to. It's kind of hard to hold it in one hand and show y'all. There, see that? See how it moves? So I can reposition it. I'm going to paint it, and let's start. Hope y'all enjoy. All right, look what we have. The mirror that was a garbage find. The vanity that was a garbage find. So I painted the little accents on the legs. Took all the knobs off and put paper that came from Lowe's. The paint came from Lowe's. And the lights actually came from Walmart. I don't know if you can get a good... Let me turn this light off. The lights... There we go. The lights actually came from Walmart. So, that's a do-it-yourself vanity. Let's see what that looks like without that on there. Alright. But that was all a garbage find, you guys. I don't think I did too bad. Got the little accents for it. There's my little stool for it. So, I love restoring things that I find from the garbage. And right there, I'm a boss babe. Yup. But I love building things, restoring things. So, that's all my hair products. I ended up moving my makeup over here to all these drawers. That's all face products. That's all lipsticks and mascaras. That's all eyeshadows and blushes. This is some of my nail products. I sold Color Street prior, so some more nail products and a hair clip bag. But yeah, I tell you, you can find stuff in the garbage and you can turn it into cute little treasures. I think it turned out pretty good. And let's see, I spent $13 on the paint and the lights were $9.99. That's all I spent. I had everything else here because I always have all the supplies for paints and tools. I have a sander, I have a saw, I have everything. So, yeah, came from the garbage, you guys. And I don't think it looks too